What's going on, folks? This is Wayne the Gaming here, coming at you with a quick tutorial of OBS Studio MacBook M1. This could be very quick. Do using the same setup as before. If you haven't seen my last guide on ground control cube, I'll drop a link in the description. Basically, I'm going to settings, output, record. On the output mode, put in advanced, record, switch the recording format to MP4. Select these two audios because one's going to be for the game itself and the second one's going to be for the microphone. Hit right, I'm going to put 30,000. Frame 2, main. Audio stay the same. Well, for me, the step audio will be the ground control channel 16 and default, whatever your microphone is going to be. Video will be the max setting of your MacBook Air, which is 2880 by 1800. Hotkeys, the dash, backslash, and pretty much that's about it for that part. But the most important part for if you're going to use two different tracks, make sure you go to click on either one of those. Advanced properties. By default, is go check 1, 2, and 3. What I did is audio desktop is going to be on track 1 and my microphone will be on track 2. That way, when you import it to like Premiere Pro, I had two separate tracks and you can adjust the settings on both of them. All right, appreciate you watching. This is Wayne Gaming and I'm out.